Math GED sample questions. Question 1. Find the range of the scores 15, 48, 39, 31, 43, 33. Option A, 63. Option B, 34.83. Option C, 33. Option D, 39. The correct answer is option. Range equals highest minus lowest, so 48 to 15 equals 33. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds the extremes instead of subtracting them. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean. Option D is wrong because it chooses a middle value instead of comparing highest and lowest. Question 2. In the line y equals dash 2x plus minus 1, which number is the y-intercept? Option A, x. Option B, minus 2. Option C, minus 1. Option D, 1. The correct answer is option. In slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept is b, which is minus 1. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because the intercept is a number where the line crosses the y-axis. Option B is wrong because it is the slope, not the y-intercept. Option D is wrong because it changes the sign of the intercept. Question 3. Two angles in a triangle are 42 degrees and 42 degree. What is the third angle? Option A, 138 degrees. Option B, 96 degrees. Option C, cannot be determined. Option D, 84 degrees. The correct answer is option. Triangle angles sum to 180 degrees, so subtract the two known angles, 180 to 42. 42 equals 96 degrees. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it ignores the second known angle. Option C is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option D is wrong because it adds the known angles but does not subtract from 180 degrees. Question 4. A chart shows 55 students chose online study and 44 chose books. How many more chose the larger group? Option A, 99. Option B, 11. Option C, 55. Option D, 44. The correct answer is option. How many more asks for a difference, so subtract the smaller value from the larger value to get 11. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it gives the total rather than the difference. Option C is wrong because it selects the larger group but does not compare the groups. Option D is wrong because it selects the smaller group. Question 5. If 48 flyers are shared equally among 4 tables, how many flyers go on each table? Option A, 52. Option B, 192. Option C, 44. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option. Equal sharing means divide the total by the number of groups. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds instead of dividing. Option B is wrong because it multiplies the total by the number of tables. Option C is wrong because it subtracts instead of dividing. Question 6. Convert 6 liters to milliliters? Option A, 600 ml. Option B, 1006 ml. Option C, 0.006 ml. Option D, 6000 ml. The correct answer is option. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, so 6 times 1000 equals 6000 ml. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it uses 100 instead of 1000. Option B is wrong because it adds the conversion factor. Option C is wrong because it divides instead of multiplying. Question 7. Select the greatest decimal from 8.7, 7.9, and 2.1. Option A, 8.7. Option B, 2.1. Option C, 7.9. Option D, they are equal. The correct answer is option. Compare tenths first and then hundredths if needed. The greatest value is 8.7. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it is the smallest value after aligning decimal places. Option C is wrong because it is between the other two values. Option D is wrong because the digits show different values after the decimal point. Question 8. Find the distance between -5, 3, and -5, 9 on a vertical line. Option A, 0. Option B, 12. Option C, 8. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option. For a vertical segment, distance is the absolute difference of the y values. 9, 3 equals 6. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it uses the exchange. which is 0 here. Option B is wrong because it adds y values instead of subtracting them. Option C is wrong because it adds coordinates from one point. Question 9. Which point lies on y equals dash 2x plus 4? Option A, 3, minus 1. Option B, minus 3, minus 2. Option C, 3, minus 2. Option D, 4, minus 2. The correct answer is option. Substituting x equals 3 gives y equals dash 2, 3, plus 4 equals minus 2. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because the y value is 1 unit too high. Option B is wrong because changing the x value changes the line calculation. Option D is wrong because using the new x value would require a different y value. Question 10. Multiply 17 by 4 quickly. Option A, 51. Option B, 85. Option C, 21. Option D, 68. The correct answer is option. Multiplication means 4 groups of 17, which equals 68. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it leaves out one group. Option B is wrong because it adds one extra group. Option C is wrong because it adds the factors. Question 11. Convert the mixed number 3 and 6/8 into an improper fraction. Option A, 18/8. Option B, 30/8. Option C, 9/8. Option D, 3/14. The correct answer is option. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 3 times 8 plus 6 equals 30. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the numerator even though the mixed number is positive. Option C is wrong because it adds the whole number to the numerator without multiplying by the denominator. Option D is wrong because it places the whole number over a changed denominator. Question 12. A calculator shows 6% sales tax on $40. What total should be paid? Option A, $2.40. Option B, $46. Option C, $34. Option D, $42.40. The correct answer is option. Find the tax as 6% of $40 and add it to the original price, giving $42.40. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it shows only the tax, not the full total. Option B is wrong because it adds the tax rate as a dollar amount. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the tax rate as dollars. Question 13. Simplify the ratio 1456 so it is ready for a GED answer choice. Option A, 1456. Option B, 1:4. Option C, 28:70. Option D, 4:1. The correct answer is option. Divide both parts by their greatest common factor, 14, to get 1:4. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it leaves the ratio unsimplified. Option C is wrong because it adds instead of dividing by a common factor. Option D is wrong because it reverses the order of the comparison. Question 14. A fair spinner has 4 equal sections. What is the chance of not landing on section 3? Option A, 1/4. Option B, 3/4. Option C, 4/3. Option D, 1. The correct answer is option. Only one section is excluded, so 3 of the 4 sections work, giving 3/4. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it gives the chance of landing on the target section. Option C is wrong because it reverses the numerator and denominator. Option D is wrong because it assumes the target section is impossible. Question 15. Identify the mode of 6, 8, 10, 10, 10, 12. Option A, cannot be determined. Option B, 9.33. Option C, 10. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option. The mode is the value that appears most often. 10 appears 3 times. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean instead of the most frequent value. Option D is wrong because it gives the range. Question 16. For y equals 1x plus minus 3, what is y when x equals 3? Option A, y equals 0. Option B, 6. Option C, 0. Option D, minus 2. The correct answer is option. Substitute x equals 3, y equals 1, 3, plus minus 3 equals 0. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the intercept instead of adding it. Option C is wrong because it ignores the coefficient of x. Option D is wrong because it substitutes 1 for x instead of the given value. Question 17. A right triangle has legs 6 and 8. What is the hypotenuse? Option A, 14. Option B, 2. Option C, 10. Option D, 100. The correct answer is option. Use A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2, 36 plus 64 equals 100, so C equals 10. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds the legs instead of using the Pythagorean theorem. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the legs. Option D is wrong because it stops before taking the square root. Question 18. A table lists sales as Monday 20, Tuesday 29, and Wednesday 25. What is the 3-day total? Option A, 29. Option B, 49. Option C, 74. Option D, 24.67. The correct answer is option. Add all three listed values. 20 plus 29 plus 25 equals 74. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it selects only the largest day. Option B is wrong because it leaves out Wednesday. Option D is wrong because it finds the average rather than the total. Question 19. A student has $66 and buys 7 notebooks at $8 each. How much money is left? Option A, $10. Option B, $58. Option C, $56. Option D, $122. The correct answer is option. First find the cost. 7 times $8 equals $56, then subtract from $66 to get $10. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts only one notebook. Option C is wrong because it gives the amount spent, not the amount left. Option D is wrong because it adds spending to the budget. Question 20. Convert 3 pounds to ounces? Option A, 19 ounces. Option B, 0.19 ounces. Option C, 36 ounces. Option D, 48 ounces. The correct answer is option. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so 3 times 16 equals 48 ounces. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds 16 instead of multiplying. Option B is wrong because it divides by 16. Option C is wrong because it uses 12 as the conversion factor. Question 21. Round 8.605 to 1 decimal place? Option A, 8.7. Option B, 8.605. Option C, cannot be determined. Option D, 8.6. The correct answer is option. Look at the digit immediately after the requested place and round to 8.6. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it always rounds up instead of using the rounding rule. Option B is wrong because it leaves the number at 3 decimal places. Option C is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Question 22. Reflect the point, 1, 1, across the x-axis. Option A, -1, 1. Option B, 1, -1. Option C, -1, -1. Option D, 1, 1. The correct answer is option. A reflection across the x-axis keeps x the same and changes the sign of y. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it reflects across the y-axis. Option C is wrong because it reflects across both axes. Option D is wrong because it swaps coordinates instead of changing the y sign. Question 23. For the graph of y equals -3x plus -1, which slope should the line have? Option A, 0. Option B, -3. Option C, -1. Option D, 3. The correct answer is option. In y equals mx plus b, m is the slope, so the graph should rise or fall by -3 for each 1 unit of run. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because a 0 slope would be a horizontal line. Option C is wrong because it identifies the y-intercept instead of the slope. Option D is wrong because it changes the sign of the slope. Question 24. Subtract 17 from 78 in a no-calculator warm-up? Option A, -61. Option B, 1. Option C, 95. Option D, 61. The correct answer is option. Subtract 1s and 10s carefully. 78 to 17 equals 61. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it reverses the subtraction order. Option B is wrong because it subtracts only the ones digits. Option C is wrong because it adds instead of subtracting. Question 25. If a recipe uses 3/4 of 24 cups, how many cups are used? Option A, 18. Option B, 21. Option C, 27. Option D, 6. The correct answer is option. Multiply 24 by March 4th, 1/4 is 6, so 3 parts equal 18. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the numerator instead of multiplying by the fraction. Option C is wrong because it adds the numerator to the whole amount. Option D is wrong because it finds one denominator part but ignores the numerator.